Meet Loria, a cloud explorer navigating on the AWS cloud and unlocking its vast potential. For Loria, understanding AWS is a game changer, transforming the way we handle computing, databases, networking, and more. Imagine this Loria harnessing the power of AWS, from deploying virtual servers to running scalable applications. AWS becomes a catalyst, turning routine computing activities into dynamic and efficient processes. Step into the world of Amazon Web Services, a groundbreaking platform facilitating seamless connections between computing resources and the digital universe. It's about sculpting dynamic and efficient experiences that resonate with the rhythm of our technological interactions. To unleash the possibilities of Amazon Web Services, we explore its applications in cloud storage, where it transforms data management, serverless computing, where it redefines application deployment and database management, creating a solid foundation for information handling. Experience the power of Amazon Web Services in our digital society, from securing data in the cloud to enabling efficient networking solutions, creating a connected and effective way of managing digital resources. Shift your focus to cloud realities, where Amazon Web Services redefines how we experience digital spaces. It adapts to Loria's input, making interactions not just scalable but tailored to individual preferences and business requirements. Now we'll explore the technical brilliance of Amazon Web Services. Fueled by advanced technologies, Amazon Web Services possesses the artistry to create and sustain vast interconnected cloud landscapes, a technological marvel shaping its functionality. Another crucial aspect lies in scalability. Amazon Web Services stands tall on the foundation of a robust architecture, empowering it to support diverse applications and user experiences, ensuring seamless scalability. The implementation of Amazon Web Services yields a myriad of benefits: enhanced computing experiences, increased cost efficiency, and global accessibility tailored to the distinctive needs of businesses and developers. In wrapping up, envision a future shaped by Amazon Web Services. A future where our computing needs seamlessly integrate with cloud services. From development to deployment, AWS stands as the key to unprecedented digital experiences and understanding. If you've enjoyed this exploration of Amazon Web Services, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Ring the bell icon for instant notifications on our content. Stay tuned, keep learning, and let the brilliance of Amazon Web Services unlock new dimensions in your digital journey with the Knowledge Academy.